Hello there, and welcome back once again to a new episode of Safford and Cypher's channel. Today we have Dilophosauruses, guys. We will compare the new Chaos Theory Dilophosaurus to the older ones, and we will compare to the Legacy Collection Dominion. They look a little similar, right there. So we'll compare them. But first things first is, how are you guys doing? And we have the older ones here. This is a Dino Rival Dilophosaurus. It is purple. It's super rare now. It has a squishy stomach. I don't remember if I made a review out of this. So yeah, there's the DNA scan. Alright. So I guess there is a holder. That means you can put that gooey spitty thing that they do. Okay, and here we have a dino tracker Dilophosaurus. You move the tail down, or you push it up actually, and it opens up. See? Oh, there you go. And there's the DNA in the back. Yep. And we have here the latest. Actually not, it was also Chaos Theory. It came with a 3-pack with Ben and a Atrociraptor. So there you go. So this is the other one. And here is the newest one right now from Chaos Theory. A single pack. And here's the DNA scan. There you go. And here is the Dominion Legacy Collection. So we'll check it out. We're gonna unbox this both. Alright guys. So right here, let's check this out. So we have all of these already. We already made reviews. These 3 are done. It has a swamp symbol. It hangs out there. The frill moves, it says. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, let's... Oh, what the... It's still locked over there? Oh my goodness. You're joking. Okay, let's try it again. There you go. Alright, now we will unbox the Legacy Collection as well. Here it is now. So, let's check out their faces. Almost the same, except for the frill. This one is all orange. This one's yellowish. So it has more orange. Even at the back, it's orange. Right there. Meanwhile, this one has the same color as the skin. There you go. It's exactly the same model compared to the others. There's the DNA scan. Same as the tail. Let's check out the newer one. So it's the same. You pull it up. It opens up. No gooey spitty thingy for this guy. So yep. There you have it. Let's check their stomach. I see. There you go. I wish they changed the head posture as well. It's exactly the same, just a different paint job on the frill. Alright. So yeah. So these ones are the same. But this was a different model, but different, same dinosaur. You cannot close the mouth though, this guy. It's definitely open. Yeah, it came with Ben and Atrociraptor. So it's a 3-pack. So okay, so of course, didn't forget, I am in the current making 2 hybrids right now. So first thing here is it's an older version back in 2 years ago when the Therizinosaurus came out. So I took off the tail. It went to the Serra Magnus. Now this is the tail of a Pyroraptor now. The older the basic one. And here are the claws all gone. It went to the Serra Magnus frill as well. The feathers gone. It went to the Serra Magnus. I don't know if you guys remember that blue dinosaur from Jurassic World Alive. So yeah, it's a different whole tail. So this thing is really old. I just found it. It's like, oh my goodness. And then it gave me an idea. Okay, I'll make it a different kind of one. So there you go. New tail. Alright, let me grab it. Alright, here it is now. The basic Pyroraptor back then, the mouth does not open at all. So I broke it since Safford doesn't like it anymore. I took off. This is its original tail right here. Right there. I took it off. Yep. I'm gonna make it a surprise hybrid. You guys are not gonna believe it. And as for the new Giga hybrid, that's gonna be probably next month. That's gonna be a lot of work. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Alright. Also, I have another hybrid again, actually. It's also based on from the Dino Escape Kentrosaurus. There's the tail. I found it. I cut it off. There's some cheap Triceratops tail to add it up, it's like horns over there, and then cheap Spinosaurus tail, except for its older dinosaur toys. It's a small sale of a Spinosaurus. And then more cheap dinosaur toys. Another Triceratops that I added up here. I can't show you the head right now, it'll be a surprise. And then Godzilla's backplate right there. Stick it. The body is made of is from a Nigersaurus, you can tell already. So yeah. Whoops. There you go. The other side. Whoops. Alright guys. Once this one's done, it's gonna be awesome. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I'll say thank you again, and don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, okay guys? Of course, the bell as well to notify you guys. Alright guys, you guys have a happy 4th of July and stay safe. Bye for now.